Hi, my name is Jeff Woolley, and today I will be explaining a few of the characteristics of the new Meter-Mix LiquidFlow 30M metering, mixing and dispensing machine. This machine is widely used for a number of applications, including potting and encapsulation of electronic components. The LiquidFlow 30M is widely used for processing many materials such as polyurethanes, epoxies, silicons, methacrylates and many other materials. It is a modular design where we can add or remove various different options depending upon the material we are processing. We have the options of 12 litre reservoirs or 6 litre reservoirs. We can add options like agitation to the reservoirs, heating, level sensing. All of these are plug and play on the back of the control box. Once you've plugged the unit in, you can actually select whichever option you need via the colour touch screen on the front. This colour touch screen is also where you will enable the functions and the recipes on the machine.